Hello everybody, I'm Richard Holdener and welcome to Speed Secrets. This episode is brought to you by the guys at Comp Cams. So right off the bat, you know there's going to be a cam test. But unlike most of our episodes, this cam test wasn't on an LS motor. In fact, it wasn't even on a big block or small block Chevy. It was on a Ford, and a Cleveland no less. Now I know they made those way back in the 70s, but the reality is a Cleveland has an awful lot in common with a modern LS. By that we mean it has an overabundance of cylinder head flow. So like the LS, it's just begging for a cam swap. Okay guys, to find out how much a cam swap was worth on a 351 Cleveland, we set up a nice little test motor. Now this test motor was originally equipped with a factory cam, but not all factory Ford cams are created equal. This motor was equipped with the most powerful factory cam ever offered in a Cleveland, meaning it came from a 1971 Boss 351 application. Now that particular cam was actually a solid flat tappet grind. Now we switched over in our cam test to a hydraulic flat tappet because let's face it, it's a lot more user friendly. But don't worry, we didn't skimp on power. So let's check out that test motor and start swapping some cams. 30 over 2-bolt 351. Factory 4V heads with spring upgrade. Performer RPM intake. Run first with a stock Boss cam. Nearly 400 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds. Time to upgrade the cam. Off came the intake. Then we swapped the cam and lifters. Then reinstalled the timing chain. Back on the dyno with the comp cam. Over 450 horsepower with the comp cam. Check out the power gains. Okay guys, the results are in, and it looks like a cam swap is definitely a worthwhile upgrade on a Cleveland. Equipped with that comp 274H cam, the power output jumped by 44 horsepower and 10 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, those are some serious gains. And let's face it, we're just scratching the surface of that 351 Cleveland. Those heads will support way over 550 horsepower. So if we had wilder cam timing, more compression, and maybe a single play manifold, we could make some serious power. I'm Richard Holdener, that's all the time I have. I want to thank the guys at Comp Cams. Join me next time on Speed Secrets.